Hi again, it's Tima. I will go with clinical scenario number 2 to search for would vaccinating the children with MMR cause autism, and this is going to be done on PubMed. So let's start. So I'm going to the SML Medical Library, and now I will go with PubMed. We'll go down to the clinical queries in the original page, in the home page, and I will type MMR vaccine and autism. There's no need to write and in between. I will go for etiology and I will keep it broad for now. As we can see, I will have 175 results. I will go to the advanced and make sure that I have my correct meshes. So measles, mumps, rubella, MMR is linked to the correct mesh, as well as autism to autistic disorder. So this is okay with me, but I needed to be, of course, in children, and that's why I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to my filters, and I already have it here. I got it from my additional filters, age. I pressed on this and show, and we can press it again, and now we're down to 111, but I needed to be narrower, so instead of broad here I can put narrow and see how this will work. I'm down to 32 results. I will go back to advanced because I can further do something, which is choose only the meshes of the terms without of the concepts, without the keywords, and that's why I will end up with less results. Like here, where is it? This is autistic mesh. And I will go with cohort study mesh, this one. And the last one is my filter. Okay, and let's search. And now I'm down to 8 results. I will go to advanced, make sure everything is okay. So I have my measles, mumps, rubella. These are the mesh words. Autistic disorder, cohort study mesh. This is for the etiology. And then I will have child, infant, child, adolescent. And that's it for my search. I'm down to 18, which is excellent. Thank you.